In the realm of security, where vigilance and reliability are paramount, an extraordinary partnership has emerged that seamlessly integrates the loyalty and intuition of dogs with the expertise of human security guards. These remarkable duos, composed of highly trained security dogs and their handlers, not only bring a sense of awe and admiration but also contribute significantly to maintaining safety in various settings. Let's delve into the world of Security K9, understanding what they are, how they are integrated into security guard operations, and why proper training is the backbone of their success. The essence of a Security K9. A Security K9, or a working dog, is a specially trained canine that collaborates with security personnel to ensure the safety and well-being of people, property, and sensitive areas. These dogs often belong to breeds with strong protective instincts, high intelligence, and exceptional physical abilities. Through rigorous training and bonding with their handlers, these K9s become an invaluable asset in a security team's arsenal. The symphony of training, obedience, language, and unity. Before a security guard can effectively work alongside a K9 partner, a significant amount of training is essential. Just as a maestro tunes their orchestra before a performance, a handler and their dog engage in training that serves as the cornerstone of their partnership. This training is not solely about honing the dog's skills, it's about cultivating trust, communication, and unity between the handler and their four-legged counterpart. One unique aspect of this training is the utilization of different commands, often in foreign languages such as German. The use of foreign commands adds an extra layer of distinction to the bond between the handler and the K9, reinforcing the language of authority that the dog comprehends. Commands like sits, sit, plots, stay, and come become the threads of a common language that enable the security team to function as a well-coordinated unit. King, the noble guardian of Worldwide Plaza. A testament to the value of security K9s in the field is the story of King, a working dog entrusted to the security teams of First Security and Pinkerton at the prestigious Worldwide Plaza in New York. King was more than just a K9 companion, he was a vital tool that enhanced the security guard's capabilities. He was a working dog and he did bite. With a budget of $50,000 per year, which covered housing, food, and medical expenses, King demonstrated the significant investment that organizations are willing to make to ensure top-notch security measures. He was paid more than the account manager. Indeed, the cost of training and maintaining a security K9 can be substantial, with some trained dogs costing upwards of $150,000. However, this investment is a reflection of the incredible value these dogs bring to the table. They can detect threats, track scents, and provide a heightened sense of security that technology alone cannot replicate. Uplifting guardianship, a bond beyond words. The integration of security K9s into security guard operations goes beyond mere professional collaboration, it embodies a profound bond that transcends language. Handlers and their dogs communicate through gestures, expressions, and an unspoken understanding that reinforces their unity. This bond often extends beyond the workplace, becoming a genuine companionship that enriches both the handlers and the dogs' lives. Handlers receive around $21 to $44 per hour. Conclusion. The partnership between security K9s and security guards exemplifies the seamless merging of technology, skill, and loyalty in safeguarding our world. Their extraordinary teamwork and unwavering commitment inspire admiration and confidence. As we celebrate these unsung heroes, let's remember that behind every successful security K9 team lies a foundation of rigorous training, trust, and unity. Just as a harmonious symphony relies on every musician playing their part, the synergy between handlers and their K9 sets the stage for a safer, more secure environment for all.